Now we're going to make a visit to the gold room. Here we come. We were already in here before, but I didn't film everybody. Yeah, there's that darling, darling, darling highlight. Yeah, he usually hides behind the curtain, but we say hi to him whether he's out, sitting about, or hiding behind his curtain, because we always like him. Highlight is a handsome, handsome long-haired tuxedo, a cutie, cutie pie. Then we have this guy named Jammin. Hi, Jammin. Hi, darling little Jammin. How are you? Hi, darling little Jammin. You're just as cute as can be. Yeah, I've never met you before. Hi, Jammin. Yeah, greetings. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Now, who do we have down here? We've got somebody watering in the watering trough. Who are we seeing down here? Let's say hi to whoever's drinking water. Yeah, we got to figure out who they are. And it's Felix. Oh, we met Felix before. Felix has been having a tummy ache. We visited Felix as we visited down at the health care or in the cat clinic and saw Felix's x-rays. That was exciting. Felix, we've seen you inside and out and like you. Yes, we do. And who's this up here? Hi, sweetie. Hi. Tell me who you are. Oh, hi, Mango. Mango is a cutie. Mango's a bandana cat. So, of course, when I was touching Mango, I could have gotten scratched. That's why Mango has the bandana on. But I, of course, got up close and personal. Mango is a cutie patootie. Yeah. Thank you, Mango. In your lovely lavender bandana. Yeah, thank you, Mango. You're just a doll. Cute little Mango. We love you. Now we're going to go find out who's who. We think we have to see who this is. I think it could be Willie. I have to see. Let me see. No. That's Gateway. Sorry, I had Gateway. I get them mixed up. Yeah. Yeah. Maggie has to get everybody straight. That's Gateway. Gateway's going to have some food there with Felix. Okay. And we have to see who we've got here. We've got a cutie. Oh, it's Bob. You know, we had a Steve here for a while, and now we have, met Steve and had such a good time with Steve. Now another guy kitty named Bob. Hi, Bob. You're a sweetie. Yeah, Bob is a great kitty. Bob says, come adopt me. I want to go to my forever home. I am Bob. Yes, okay. Do it again here. Highlight. Cutie pie highlight. And Jammin. Look at that Jammin. Jammin is snoozing. He's stretched out and he's a beautiful kitty. Yeah, yay Jammin. Now, I think we have Willie down in here, if I'm not mistaken. Hey, Willie. Hey there. Mr. Willie. How are you? Willie is a favorite of my hubby's. And so we had to get in here. And look at those beautiful... Have you seen any whiskers as beautiful as Willie's? Those are just charming. And he's hiding. He's hiding in this little cocoon house here. And making me get down and come to him. Because he's Willie. But we're going to get a cute little picture of Willie and his beautiful whiskers for the greater world. He says, why doesn't somebody come and adopt me? I'm ready. I'm Willie and I'm ready. Yep. And we don't know who this is. We have another one. Kind of hanging out. Hanging out. We need to know who it is. We're not sure of the name. Yeah, let's see here if we can figure out who we're talking to. Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Hi, beautiful Sadie. Yeah. Hi. Hi, cute Sadie. Yeah, Sadie's just kind of having some private time. Yeah, she is. Willie. Highlight. Jammin. Bob. Gateway. 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 Hi, Gateway. Yeah, his nose looks a lot like Willie. And Felix. And the awesome, up in the corner, Mango. Hey there, cutie. Cutie Pie Mango. Yeah. Cutie Pie Mango. Yep. We love you. You're a sweetie. Okay. Well, signing off here from the Gold Room and all of our friends who will come back to another day.